Meaning of federalist.
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 Federalist. The term federalist refers to a political philosophy that advocates for a system of government in which power is divided between a central authority and constituent political units such as states or provinces. The federalist model is often contrasted with a unitary system of government, in which power is concentrated in a single central authority. Federalism is typically associated with representative democratic systems, and is used by many countries around the world, including the United States, Canada, Australia, and Germany. The aim of federalism is to balance power between the central government and local governments, while promoting unity and cooperation among diverse regions and populations.